Hello, this video is about how to create Google Forms using our smartphone. So first of all, we have to select Google. From there, create form.google. This will search. From there, the second option. So we'll get this interface. So here we have these options: personal, G Suite. This option. We'll choose this personal one. Go to Google Forms. So it will show me this interface. Okay. So in this interface, I'll go to this three dots. We can see, we'll select this three dots. Again, I'm showing this three dots. So from here, I can go to settings. So in this settings part, we have these three parts: general, presentation, and quizzes. First of all, we'll select quizzes. Then in the presentation part, we can select show progress bar and show link to submit another response. So this we can deselect. So confirmation message, here we can write thank you. In the general part, we'll collect the email address and we'll limit it to one response. This we can select and save. Okay, so this is our view. So from here we can choose one image, anything we can choose. I'm choosing this one. Okay, background color, this can be done. So apply. So it will look like this. Now after this one, in the question part, so here we can write our question 1. The question can be of different type. It can be MCQ, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down, or if we want the student write in some copy, and after that one clicking that picture, or want to upload the PDF, scan it and upload the PDF, we can give the file upload option. And for the match the column part, we can use this multiple choice grid option. Anyway, here I am choosing the multiple choice option. So option 1, so here I am giving say XYZ. Add another option part. So here in option 2, I am giving DEF. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, now if I want the student to answer all the questions, I can make it a required field, or else I can change it, it is not required. Now after this one, if I want the same setting for my next question, see a double page button is there. So this double page button. Okay, so this will select for the next question with the same settings. So I'm going to create the next question with the same settings. So this is question number 2. Here I can give another option, say it in P. Here another option, anything else. Anyway, this is question number 2 with the same settings. Now see, as because I have chosen quizzes, I can give my answers over here, by which automatically the marks will be calculated. For that one, there is a blue tick in the left hand corner, blue tick. So we'll select that blue tick. So we'll select the correct option and we'll give points for this one, let it be 1, and done. This is done for the first question. For the second question, again we'll follow the same thing. We'll select the blue tick. After that one, we'll select our correct option and marks will select here, and done. Okay, now if I want to see the preview option, before this one, for the untitled form, we can give the name of the school. Okay, here we can give name of the school, and if we select, after doing this one, name of the school is done. Here in the untitled form, even if we can select it, it will take automatically, it will take the name of the school. After doing this one, so this is done. So after doing this one, we can preview. So if we want to preview this one with the preview button, we can preview. Okay, so this is preview. So it look like this, the question paper. Okay, now if I want to send the question paper, so I'll select the button which is just beside preview. See this one, this button just beside preview. So there, this is by email, this is by link. So we'll have to copy the link. So we can create, we can copy it, or we can shorten the link. So it will look like this. We can copy it and send it. Okay, very simple. So these are the ways by which we can create Google Forms in our mobile, and after that one we can send it. Okay, and here we'll get the response, like the students will submit their response. Here one by one will get the response. If you want the response in the Excel format, so here one link is there. If we select this link, we can get the response in the Excel format. Okay, thank you for watching the video.